Hello guys, welcome to EC Electronics. So in today's video, we'll be seeing 6 different recruitment opportunities. So in today's video, I have tried to include job opportunity for freshers, experienced candidates. There is permanent work from home job opportunity that is applicable for anybody like, students or like work from home if you are looking for that kind of people, or if you are having a basic graduation or diploma candidates, everybody is eligible for some job opportunities. And there is much required core company recruitment opportunity also in today's video. So there is all of these in today's video. So there is 6 different recruitment. So please watch the video completely, then jump to the description and start applying. Let's see the recruitment updates one by one. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I would recommend you, or I would tell you, please subscribe to the channel, support the channel, and be a part of the growth of the channel. Okay. So the first recruitment is from Flipkart. They are hiring for operations executive. So this is a job, operations executive is a job opportunity which we frequently see with companies like Infosys or Wipro. There is many these kind of operations executive job which is popping up in Infosys career site and Wipro career site. That is for freshers. That is one thing which we know, that is, it is for freshers. So operations executive is the job title and it is with Flipkart. And here what you're going to do is manage offline hotel bookings for corporate clients, managing of payments, booking process, hotel booking, and managing of payments, updating of trackers, meeting with suppliers and client. This is the job. Okay. So here your communication skill should be good, Microsoft Excel related knowledge, and you should be from from travel industry. That is a preference. Otherwise also you can definitely apply. Location is Mumbai. Okay. So in order to apply, what you have to do here is you have to just click on this candidate login. You have to then create an account and then start applying. Or you can directly click on this apply icon. Again, you have to create an account with Flipkart. Only then you can proceed with the application process. So that is the first recruitment which is from Flipkart. Okay. The next recruitment, which is a full-time remote job opportunity, which is from Full Careers. So talking about Full, this company is a Portland-based company. They are having branches in India, UK, Canada, Toronto, all these areas. So if you are looking for on-site opportunity, you can get on-site opportunity also in this company. Now, the main attraction of this job is it is full-time remote. You don't have to travel, you don't have to relocate or anything. You can work from home forever. Okay. So what is the roles and responsibility? Before seeing that, this is a contact center reporting job, means contact center or customer care center. Okay. So there you are going to work, you are going to deal with like numbers, you are going to take the data from the users or the customers, update the data. That is going to be the job here. Okay. Roles and responsibility should be able to support contact center reporting requirement, good in reading numbers, analyzing trends, should be able to ensure reporting is aligned with strategic directions for the business, should be able to identify and assess new contact center reporting requirements. This is the job here. Mainly you will be working on Microsoft Excel. So you should be having a Microsoft Excel knowledge, basic understanding of contact center operations. Okay. Problem solving skill, prioritizing, working 24/7 environment, experience is 0 to 1 year. They have not asked for any specific educational qualification. If you are having diploma, if you are having graduation, if you are having post graduation, all is the same. Your knowledge of Microsoft Excel and communication skill, and how good is you in a reporting or documentation process, that is the main requirement here. Okay. So this is the second recruitment, which is from the company Full. It is a full-time remote job opportunity. Okay. Now talking about the third recruitment opportunity, which is from Infosys. So if you are having minimum 1 year of experience, you can definitely apply for this opportunity. So the next recruitment opportunity is from Infosys. If you are having minimum 1 year of experience, you can definitely apply for this. So this is one post, which is system engineer. They call freshers also. They call sometimes people with 1 year of experience. Anyway, it is an entry level job opportunity and your area of working is testing. Okay. So 1 to 2 years of experience. Location is Chennai. If you are having minimum 1 year and above, and you can be from any bachelor degree of engineering. That can be computer science, civil, whatever, whatever degree background you are preferring or you are from, you can apply. Bachelor of engineering is the only requirement here. Now, what all things you need to have? You need to have a basic understanding of software development life cycle, how the IT companies are working. That understanding, basic understanding is required. Also, you should be able to write test cases and scenarios based on specifications. So that is your job here. You'll be working on React and test cases, or testing is your area. Okay, so that is very much clear, pretty easy to understand these type of job notifications. This is a recruitment opportunity from Infosys with people, means for people with minimum 1 year of experience. Let's jump to the next recruitment, which is from Phonpe. Phonpe is a company which is on the payment side, digital payment side. You are going to work with Phonpe for KYC related operations. KYC means when you are opening an account, every customer will be, need to fill a KYC. KYC is know your customer, or, to understand the customer better. We collect some information from the customer, that is called KYC. So you're going to work on that area. So you should be having an understanding of account opening, how an account is, means how an account is opened, how to fill the KYC details. Basic understanding of all these things is required. Any graduate can do this job, whether you're from BBA or BCom or BSc or BA, Bachelor of Arts, Science, whatever bachelor degree you are having, you can apply for this. You should be working on the KYC collection or KYC related areas and account opening. Okay, so that is your job responsibilities here. If you are interested, please apply for this. Next two recruitments are from the core companies of electronics. The first one is Nokia. It is on the telecom side. So they are hiring for system integration specialist. Chennai, Tamil Nadu is the location. Okay, let's see what is the requirement here. Bachelor degree or higher, means postgraduate or bachelor's in computer science, telecom or software engineering, understanding or strong knowledge of Unix, Linux, Solaris, Red Hat, CentOS. Then strong knowledge of hypervision technology, KVM and ESXi. Okay, if you are from the computer science or telecom or software engineering background, and if you are having basic knowledge of these things, or try to study these areas from internet and try to give the interview. Okay, because that at most importance is cracking the interview and getting placed in companies. Okay, since they are not asking for any experience as such, you can definitely apply for this. The domain is customer services. Okay, so this is a core company of electronics. If you would like to see more core company recruitments, please mention that in the comment section. The next recruitment, which is the last recruitment that we are seeing in today's video, is from Ericsson company, again on the telecom or the consumer electronics side. They are hiring for software developer. You can see the date of posting. Location is Bangalore. You are going to work on C#, .NET development, Angular 14, SQL areas, SQL queries. So this is the area here. It is purely a coding job. If you are looking for a coding job, then you are also covered in today's video. Okay, so all these links I'll be putting in the description. I don't want to stretch the video any further. I'm going to end the video here itself. So please go to the link in description, start applying. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Please support the channel. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching. Bye bye.